first day of summer. Summertime. Summertime. Time to sit back and unwind. Time to sit back and unwind. Hey Fays, welcome back. It is Living for the City. I am Sharice, and you know what time it is. It is time for our monthly unboxing of our subscription. Summer's here, and so I know that, you know, contrary to popular opinion, we were going to have a summer. We really are in phase. Like, we're gonna have a summer. It may not be the summer that we are used to having, but we're gonna have a summer, right? And so we're gonna be able to vacation, we're gonna be able to go places, and we need to make sure, ladies, that if and when we are traveling, when we're getting back out into the city and getting back out into the sun, that we are caring for our skin, because you know, when seasons change, your skincare routine is supposed to change, right? And so a lot of people continue with the same skincare routine, but you really should make slight adjustments to certain things. I know I do, and that's what, you know, estheticians and dermatologists recommends, is that according to you know, the change in the seasons, obviously certain times of the year are harsher on the skin than others. And so when it comes to summer, one of the things that we all know happens in the summer is that, you know, you just, with the sun, I mean, it's just beating down on you. And so you really have to be careful with making sure that you're wearing your SPF. Starting with the face, we talked a little bit about Huxley. So I love Huxley's face masks. They are by far one of my favorite, and I think it's mostly because of the texture of the mask. It literally leaves your face feeling so good, okay? Like, it is just so hydrated, and it just, like, literally, I was like glowing afterwards. So I love Huxley. So if you're looking for, you know, a mask that you want to wear throughout the summer, something that you know is going to leave your skin looking and feeling good for these next couple of summer months, I highly recommend Huxley. One of the other things that I love, that I've been just swooning over since I got it, this will probably look very familiar to you because we just got this a couple months ago from when I did that K-Beauty haul. So I'm going to link that for you right here. This is by Neogen Dermalogy, okay? It is their Bio Peel Gauze peeling. It is an exfoliant, but it feels so good. So it's these little pads. I'm gonna open this up, and it smells, it literally smells like something. I just squeezed a lemon in here. So there's these little pads that are in here, and double-sided. So one side is the exfoliant and the other is really soft. So you take the exfoliant and you literally just scrape away, flip it over, and then you slough all of this stuff off, okay? It is amazing. These are perfect for this time of year. Obviously, lemon, anything lemon scent is just perfect. Just reminds me of spring and summer. But they really do work really, really well for just like a quick exfoliant. So I will also link below where you can get some of these. Years ago, a coworker of mine put me on to this next product, and this is by AvalonOrganics. It's an Intense Defense Vitamin C Renewal Cream. Let me just tell you something. This little cream right here, I don't play around. Like, I keep this in my arsenal. Although it encourages the skin renewal to smooth lines and wrinkles, I put this on my body, okay? I don't even put it on my face. I put it on my hips and my butt. I'm gonna be honest with you. It just smooths everything out. Listen, I can't call it. It's not for that. It is not for that. No GMOs, it's vegan, and it's biodegradable. It says that it's a renewal cream, and it says it's a rich emollient moisturizer that encourages collagen and elastin production to strengthen the skin's underlying support structure so the surface feels soft and resilient and the signs of aging fade. Hips and butt, that is where I put this, okay? So just think about all I just said, hips and butt. So again, AvalonOrganics is an intense defense with vitamin C. So now that summertime is here, like I'm starting to pull everything out because, you know, obviously in the summertime, more skin is showing. One of the things that I absolutely love and swear by is Black Girl Sunscreen. I am in love with this Black Girl Sunscreen. And so I got it from Black and Green. Link is in my description below to try this. So typically when you put on the sunscreen and sunblock, it tends to leave that like white film on the skin, and it's not cute, right? And so the thing I love about the Black Girl Sunscreen is that it doesn't do that. It does not leave you looking that chalky gray kind of color that most sunblocks leave behind. And so that's why I love this product. This is an SPF 30, just so you know. So it is infused with jojoba and avocado. It's water resistant and it lasts for 80 minutes, okay? It's ultra sheer, no white residue, and it's fragrance free. Highly recommend that if you are a woman of color that you are using, obviously you should be using sunscreen, but that you try the Black Girl Sunscreen. I absolutely love this stuff. So make sure you have that in your arsenal. So after we've been out in the sun all day, I don't know about you, but my skin feels different. Like it just feels like, I don't know, maybe it's because I've gotten a tan. Maybe that's how your skin's supposed to feel after you get a tan. But I always feel like it feels rough and like there's something on it now. Like the skin feels different. So years ago, through Birchbox, I discovered this After Sun Delicate Hydrating Wash for the hair and the body. It's like a hair and body shampoo. And so you only use it after the sun. I have a big one here, but it's almost done. So I was like, I don't want to show y'all that. So I'm going to show you the little one because the big one I keep like all the time. And so this is by Davines, and I absolutely love this. If nothing else, I love the smell of this stuff. Granted, I usually just use it in the summer. Oh my God, it smells so good. I don't know what. It's very floral and fruity at the same time. But it's light. It's not a heavy fragrance. It's made with citrus mitofolia. Is that how you say that? Citrus mitofolia extract. And it is so light and pretty and delicate. It's very, very feminine, a very feminine scent. So I absolutely love this, and I actually will find myself using this even when I haven't been out in the sun that long. I just love it because it just makes the skin feel so good after the sun. Then I'll link below information about this as well so that you can get this from Birchbox. Speaking of skin, let's just continue with the body. And because we are going to be out in the sun, another thing that I always recommend is your GLOV. You always need your illuminating face and body spray. I don't know if the light is really that good for you to see. I don't know if you can really see. And this is in the color bronze. It gives you a lovely gold look, okay? And so you can get this literally from anywhere, really. And so it really just highlights all of the natural gold in the skin and just accentuates everything. And now that we've gotten those out of the way, we're gonna go to our Kinder box. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. Again, Kinder is a monthly beauty subscription box that is all about cruelty-free, vegan, clean beauty products. I'm excited to try this for the first time. So this is how it looks when I open it up. A Kinder world is a more beautiful world. And so there's a card in here that is going to tell me everything that I'm getting this month. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay. And the first thing I'm seeing is, I don't know what this is. It says makeup remover. So it is is it GLOV? GLOV or GLOV? Makeup remover. Okay, so this is what it is. Let's read it, Charisse. Okay. GLOV is not only removes makeup, but it also leaves the skin balanced, soft, and divine. GLOV is a dermalogically tested, hypoallergenic, and gentle. Leaves your skin and mood soothed and comforted. It's innovative fiber technology, reusable for 1 to 3 months. So you can use this for 1 to 3 months. Wow. It is a complex skincare tool, 5-in-1. Love this. Next up, I see here, ooh, these look lovely. I'm loving these. It's by 100% Pure. They are a bright eyes mask. It's a highly caffeinated eye mask that brightens and depuffs. Quenches thirsty skin with a blast of water delivered to hydrate the skin cells. The mask material hydrogel, well, I love a hydrogel consistency and how it feels. It's composed of 95% organic aloe water and 5% plant cellulose made to intensely hydrate. Ooh, that sounds beautiful. The longer you leave the mask on your skin, the thinner the hydro mask becomes because the water gets absorbed. Oh, wow. So the hydrogel assists in delivering an active ingredients into your skin. Oh, I love this. It's by 100% Pure. Bright Eyes Mask. Oh, can't wait to try these. I actually love eye masks. Maybe I'll wear an eye mask next month, instead of a mask. Okay. Next up I see is by Fleur and B. It's a Eyes Baby eye cream. Oh, I love eye creams. Does anybody else love eye creams like I do? I don't know why I love them so much. It says, do you naturally, okay? Fleur and B. Natural anti-aging eye cream. It's packed with botanicals, vitamins, moisturizing ingredients designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This incredible eye cream tightens the skin around your eyes to give you that slept all night look. Eyes Baby is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or other nasties. Let's open it. So this is the Eyes Baby eye cream. I'm gonna open it up and just see what it looks like. Oh, it smells like lavender. That is the packaging and that's the inside. It smells like lavender. I'm gonna try it. Okay, great. Love this. I'm excited so far. Uh-oh, Birchbox. Next up I see is Dirty Lamb's Ultra Night Serum. Ooh, okay. Dirty Lamb. The names, see, so that's the only thing about like these vegan, all natural, you know, cruelty-free products is they have like the craziest names. Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. And so you want to look like you slept a full 8 hours. Our high antioxidant blend of fatty oils will keep the skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil, which is nature's powerhouse of vitamin E, oh, didn't know that, will bring loveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender, yang, and orange. I'm not sure what that is. Apply 2 to 3 drops before bed. Simply warm the oil between the palms of your hands and then pat it to your face and neck. Feel free to use when you need an antioxidant boost of hydration. All right, I'm gonna smell this. It smells yummy. It smells. I don't really smell what did it say it had in it? Lavender? I don't really smell the lavender. I smell the orange a little bit though. It says to hydrate and protect. Dirty Lamb's Ultra Night Serum. And this is by Medusa's Makeup. It is a eye dust. It's called Pennywise. Ooh. It's easy to shine with Medusa's ultra shimmering loose pigment shadow powders that can be used on the eyes, lips, and face. These finely milled mineral eyeshadows are high impact, long lasting, and a little addictive. It glides onto the skin like silk and then wears well all day long. Wow. By Medusa's Makeup. I've actually heard of Medusa's Makeup. And this is the color Pennywise. That's a really pretty color. Look at that color. That's a really pretty color. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products that you get from the Kinder box. You'll get 5 products and then 2 of the 5 will be full sizes. I am happy about everything I got this month, okay? Be it Kinder Beauty or Birchbox. I'm excited about everything. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below, out of these products that you saw here today, what was interesting to you the most? And then tell me about some of my beauty favorites that you thought were pretty interesting as well. Would love to hear that, as well as your own. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. And then if you're not following me on Instagram, feel free to do so at living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that's it. Let this be the start of a wonderful summer. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.